Right, well this is Angel Bay. I managed to get round, okay. In fact, I've met another kayaker, so we've had a chat as I've come round, and he confirmed that this was Angel Bay, because I wouldn't have been sure, to be honest with you. The tide is fairly well in now, so I won't be able to get to the sea cave that you can only access when the tide is fairly well out. But I've got here, nice conditions actually, got a little bit bouncy at one point, but nothing to really worry about. I say I do keep reminding myself that I've got a camera with me, that I don't want to get soaked, but lovely, lovely conditions. Don't know how much further I'll go round. I'll go to that headland just ahead of me and have a look while conditions are calm. Let's do a full 360. If you don't mind then, just spin it round once. There we are, that's enough for the second film. Try and do a bit more later.